It's 1:50 in the morning, day of the life. Getting ready to make my coffee. I'll get back to you, make my coffee, start my truck, and start my day. All right, it's about 2 in the morning. Next stop is work. Take me about a half hour, 40 minutes to get to work. That's when I start my day. It's 2 a.m. All right, so anyway, off I go. See you at work. I'm about halfway to work. Just to give you a heads up, first thing I do is I'll check with security, see if there was any problems last night. And then as soon as I open the shop door, my shop cats that wake me every morning, I always feed and water them. That's the first thing I do. And one of them just had 5 kittens about a month ago, so we'll try to get a sneak peek at the kittens for you. But anyway, you got to take care of the critters first thing. Then I'll open up my bay door, and we'll get to work and show you what I do. All right, so it's 2:17. I'm about halfway to work. All right, it's about 2:40. Checked in with security, no problems last night. All right, I'm going to open the door, and there's probably going to be one of our shop cats there. So let me get the door open and see where we're at. Mama. Hey, see, there's Mama right there. See Mama? Mama, what you doing? Huh? You hungry? That's the one that had the kittens. So I'm gonna feed these cats. I'll get back to you in a minute. I'll open up my bay door down there and get cracking. This asphalt zipper, which I didn't know was gonna be here, out of my way, so I can get to these 2 water buffaloes. Water buffalo there. Water buffalo here. Anyway, all right, let me move this asphalt zipper and get the water buffaloes. That's the first thing I gotta do is check the lights. There was supposedly a light that was out on the water buffalo, and they're coming to pick them up this morning, so that's what I'm gonna do first. Then there's the deadline. That's what we call the deadline. It's everything that needs to be looked at, inspected. So anyway, just showing you around a little bit. All right, let's move this zipper. You're gonna do it with me. Here we go. Here's the backup alarm. It's a heavy dog. We're gonna put it right next to this excavator over here. So, take your lift key to put the block down underneath. set my brake. Put that block under the foot and raise it up a little bit. A little more. Perfect. Alright. Asphalt zipper out of the way. Onto the water buffaloes. Okay, I got one water buffalo right there. Okay. Other water buffalo right here. I gotta check the lights on both. They're both going out this morning. So I want to make sure everything's, all the lights are working when they tow them out of here. You guys want to see the kittens? I think they're out. You gotta be very quiet. All right, hold on. See the little ones over there? You see two of them? If I knew how to zoom in, I'd do it. Let's see. There we go. So there's three of them over there eating. Let's try to get a little close. I don't want to scare them off though, but let's leave them alone. They're eating. And then this one over here was from her last kitten she had. Unfortunately, 4 of them didn't make it. That Siamese was the only one that made it. And she's watching her siblings eat. All right, anyway, I gotta get back to work. Enough of this cat stuff. I think I found my problem. See, the wires are pinched. Everything's working but the left tail light. So I'll show you what I'm gonna do with that here in a second. All right, here was the problem. This red one's pinched. This one's pinched. So I gotta isolate these. I'm gonna cut them, put butt connectors in, rewrap it, and it's good as new. It's already working just from me separating these two. All right, it's 3:49, somewhere like that. Anyway, next thing I'm gonna do is this garbage bin here. It's full and it's irritating me. I'm gonna dump it. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. All right, as you can see, I have my garbage hooked up to my little baby reach lift. Got the forks in, hooked up to a chain, so the garbage won't fall. The garbage can won't fall off. I have a rope attached to my bar. I'm gonna pull the bar and the garbage should dump. There we go. Okay, back right in here. Yeah. Okay, see all this stuff here? This track, this is a sump. I'm gonna have our mud dog. I'll show you what a mud dog is in a minute. It's right there outside. He's gonna come in and suck all this out. Like a big vacuum. This is a pipe bender. These are called shoes right here. We're done with it. They already bent the pipe they needed to bend. Now we got to take these shoes out and replace them. All right, it's approximately 7:40 something. I sandblasted 14 boxes. I got some empty bags and a dirty truck here that I'm gonna clean up. Remember, always clean your messes after every job. Keep it clean. Keep a clutter-free work environment. No tripping hazards. Anyway, so I'm gonna clean this truck up, wrap this hose up, clean the truck, get it back on the ready line for someone else to use. 7:57. Clean and ready for the next guy. Here in a minute, I have some boxes that are no good. Stripped all the parts out that I needed. So I'm gonna smash them with this excavator and throw them in the metal bin, just so I can make room. They're worthless boxes, so I'm gonna smash them and get rid of them. All right, I usually don't eat lunch. I might eat something if someone brings me something, but I keep going. It's just something I do. Anyway, I'm getting ready to pull in a couple air compressors and see if they need service. If not, I top them off, check them out. If we're good to go, I put them on the ready line. All right, what I usually do first with these, turn them on. Light switches. Wait for the lights to come on. While I'm waiting, I'll check the oil and all the fluid. Okay. All 4 lights are coming on. Good time. Next thing I'll check is the power to the brake lights and the tail lights. Turn signal. Okay, this is where we check the lights. Plugged in here into this box, this power box, which checks our lights. I'm gonna check the brake lights first on the sides. Okay. Got lights. Okay. Right turn signal. Right turn signal. Just showing you what I do, what I have to do. Left turn signal. Left turn signal. Okay. So that's good. So I'm gonna close it out. What I'll do now is I'll wash this machine, fill it up with fuel. So the next guy's ready to go when he takes it. That's the life of a hard working man. I don't stop. For you kids out there, get a good work ethic. Just do your thing. Work like someone's watching you. That's what I tell everybody. I'm gonna shut up now. You probably think I talk too much, but anyway. All right, I got 2 more to do, and then it's gonna be the end of my day. I gotta do some paperwork. So, as you can see, my day starts early. I think, what was it today? 1, whatever it was. Anyway, it's a day in the life.